Language is the foundation of human communication. From ancient times, humans used sounds and gestures to share ideas and survive. Over time, this evolved into structured spoken and written languages that allow us to communicate complex thoughts. Computers, however, cannot understand human language. They only understand logic and exact instructions. To communicate with computers, humans created programming languages. A programming language works like human language, but it follows strict rules. While humans can understand broken sentences, computers require perfect structure. One of the most important programming languages is C. C is a procedural language that works step by step and is close to computer hardware. It helps us understand how memory, logic, and execution really work. C++ is an extension of C. It adds object-oriented concepts that allow programmers to model real-world systems using objects and classes. Language helps humans communicate ideas. Programming languages help humans communicate logic to machines. C builds strong foundations, and C++ builds structured and scalable systems. Together, they represent the evolution from human expression to machine execution.